Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to publish a Kahoot from Draft. To start, open your Kahoot application in your mobile device. Once you are here, tap on Library on the bottom right. Once you're here, tap on Plus Create on the upper right as well. Then in here, you can add a cover image. Go ahead, take your time. Once done, you can now input a title for your Kahoot. Then on the bottom right, tap on Add Question. Then a pop-up will appear. In here you can choose what knowledge this is. For now, I'll use this as true or false. As you can see, there are now two options, which is true or false. Then I will just input which one is the correct answer. Now I'll tap on the arrow on the upper left. Then on the upper right, click on Save. And then as you can see, you already have a new Kahoot. This can be located over at your library. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.